going to teach you how to fix this problem. So if ever you encounter the problem that this app can't run on your PC, here's what you need to do. So first, you could select the app. So let's say I select a random app here that I have. So let's say voice mod. So you want to right click on voice mod or on the app, and then you want to click on the properties, and then you want to make sure to go to the compatibility tab, and then you want to run the compatibility troubleshooter. Now, if you have this problem, usually it will show you the issues in here. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then we still have another option. So let me just cancel this one. Let's go to the second option. You just need to go to the Windows Start menu and then go to Settings. And then after that, you want to go to the Developer Settings. All right, so just type in Developer Settings, and then you just simply want to turn on Developer Mode, and then you're done. All right, so that's how easy it is to fix this issue. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also hit the notification bell for more videos like this. This is another Internet Guru. I'm gonna see you on the next one.